Today we're standing in front of another home under construction here in Delphi Hills. This home is currently available. It is an Arabella II with a loft above there. We're going to take a look at it. Pool home, absolutely one of my favorite floor plans, so open. Let's go see what stage that the construction is at right now. And then if you'd like more information on this home, all my information is below. But in the meanwhile, let's go take a look. So you can see already the exterior is coming together on this Arabella II with a loft. This is one of the favorite floor plans of about any Hobart home fan I know. Just love the Arabella II. So nice and open. Such a great design. Let's go see where this one is and how far it's coming along. Sunday afternoon, so the great thing is there's no workers out here that I have to compete with to shoot this video. And let's see if we can get in this way. We can. You know what? We're gonna not move those boards out of the way. There's a reason they don't want us going that way. So hey, this is live. We're kind of winging this as we go. So this is on one of the larger home sites, and we're going to go through the garage because I know we got access there. 3-car side entry garage. Looks like they're just taping the drywall. So let's go see if we can get dialed in this home. Yeah, they're just spraying everything, spraying the drywall. So we're going to go back to the front entrance so we can kind of give you an idea of how this thing flows. All right, here we go. All right, no wonder. You know what? Here, we're doing this on video, so we're showing we're being obedient. Okay, that block, I pushed it down. Now let's back up. There you go. Here's our front door. This entrance is stunning. Okay, when you first walk in, you're gonna have high ceilings. This will all be crown molding. Again, the Arabella II office. When you first walk in to the left, there is a closet, but it's really set up like an office. So there'll be double doors here, probably solid. If you custom build one, you can do those glass if you want to, but it'll be typically a double door set here. So open it. It's a perfect office right in the front of the house. And you can see that it's still going to be a pretty good sized closet for an office. Now, this is kind of cool. To the right, this is going to be upstairs to that, to the bonus room, which is, I don't see them do this a lot, which is super special because it adds a lot of square footage to the floor plan. But here you go. This is the cellar, you guys. Look how nice and open this home is. Oh my goodness. This kitchen is absolutely stunning when you see how the cabinets go in. It is so nice and open. Look at the beautiful, this is gonna have tray ceilings with crown molding. Those wires hanging down are pre-wired for speakers. So they have all the can lighting, ceiling fan, high ceilings. Now this is kind of nice because it does have a sink. It's like a wet bar area, if you will, but it's just countertop with cabinets and a sink. So it's great for buffets or just kind of hanging out with family meals. Maybe a built-in, almost a dining room cabinet if you want to. Couple things, you've got a huge nook area here, which is, say nook, it's really your dining area. Big rectangle or circular table here. The pool is coming along nicely. It's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, we'll go out there and take a swing. Massive patio. Love the size of the patio they did here. Really nice. This kitchen, so can you imagine? This is going to be packed with cabinets and countertop. Look at all the outlets they put in. There's your hood, your range. I'm sorry, your range right here, and then the hood, and there's your vent, and then kitchen, pantry. Should be nice. Even got a couple outlets in there. It's kind of hard to tell. Big island right here. This is the openness is what absolutely pops. Let's go to the master bedroom. We will do another video when this one's almost finished too, by the way, because it's such a nice, well-designed home. Now, first of all, what you want to notice is when you come into the master bedroom, you have a little bit of a hallway. So it doesn't start right when you open the door. So it gives you a little bit more privacy, a little quietness. So it's a hallway that kind of presents the bedroom better. And you can see it's a nice size bedroom, French doors, tray ceilings. Love the French doors going into the pool area. So you've got great views from everywhere. It is a nice big pool. It is a chilly day here. If you can't tell by my voice, it is cold in this house. So this is really cool. Love the high-pitched ceilings in the bathroom, master bathrooms. Look at that. It's hard to tell without power, but it's got a cathedral ceiling in here. And then you have separate sinks. So you've got a sink here and a sink over here. A laundry closet or linen closet. Tub, there's going to be a tub square straight ahead and a nice size walk-in shower. Double shower heads. And then of course all your little foofy things there. Toilet room on the left. And then the walk-in closets. I know it's dark, but this is the bigger closet, typically hers. It's always got that little kick out there. And then this is his closet, which is still, by the way, walk-in and nice size. Look how deep it goes. It's still really nice size. Look at all the adequate lighting here. All right, we're still staying downstairs. We're gonna walk to the back of the house. So we're gonna walk to square to the back. Now this one, which is really nice, has, I said bonus room above the garage. This is also, well, that's the loft bonus room. This is another bonus room back here. Linen closet. But look at this bonus room. It's huge. French doors, massive bonus room. Or you could also make it a bedroom. We're gonna count it as a bedroom because it has a big closet. So I've seen it used for mainly bonus rooms, but since you have the one above the garage, this could just be a massive bedroom with bathroom or with closet. Here's another, you get the view of the pool. All right, so that's in the rear of the home. I want to show you something really quick. If you want a smaller square footage and keep the square foot around 2,800, for example, you will stop the design here. This will be a door to go to the outside. So you lose the linen closet on the right and then the back bedroom or bonus room with French doors. That all goes away. It's just it goes into your patio. So I've seen that, lessens the square footage again, down to a little 2,800, maybe a little bit over, depending on if you do any more custom expansion on the rest of the house. So let's go back down here. So these are the other 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. You can see, you got a closet around the right. And then straight ahead. Okay, we're gonna go in there in just a second. Full bath here, tub shower combination. Double sinks, looks like. Toilet, I take that back. Sorry, toilet, single sink. Okay, I've seen them set up a little bit different for every which way. Closet to the right. And this has an ensuite, which is really nice. So it's a great guest suite with a linen closet. It's a great guest suite, shower, single sink, long vanity, toilet here, and you can see everything is looking trimmed out nicely. So this ensuite is perfect for guests or teenagers, mother-in-law, what have you. Okay. All right, I am missing here. Okay. So say, where's my laundry room? Okay, here's my laundry room. So before we go upstairs, here's our laundry room. Before we hit the 3-car garage, here's our laundry, washer, dryer, additional cabinets, countertop. So it's a big laundry room. You can tell by, look how many lights are up here, 3, and then a nice window overlooking that. Okay, so don't get to see a lot of these with this floor plan. Additional loft area. Looks like straight ahead is going to be a closet. A little attic access there. Oh, a little bit of storage for your air handlers. And this will be, let's see what we got here. Closet. Oh, look at that. Full bath. Another full bathroom. Pretty cool. And a massive loft. Look at this. Pretty neat. Facing west. So this is what you call a loft. It's a bedroom. We call it a bedroom because, again, you got your closet right here. So it could be a bedroom all day long with a bathroom, so it's an ensuite. This is looking out north, just part of the roof pitch. So you have a little bit of a view that way. So a great floor plan. And you know what? Wait till you see it come together. If you'd like more information about this home, here's the thing. It is currently, as of today, beginning of February, not on MLS. If you see this video, contact me. All my contact information is below. I can give you pricing. I can give you more details on this home and the floor plan because it is not on the open market. How about that? So you're getting a sneak preview before it goes into the open market. I've got other videos of the Arabella without the loft to give you an idea of this beautiful home. All right, let's duck out here to the clickers. So this is going to have, I'd have to check, but probably your tongue and groove wood here. That is a little mini fridge and just a quartz countertop. Big patio. This will all be screened. Swim out. Love the pool. Really nice. And then this is facing south, if you're curious. So still a decent sized yard. You can see all the stucco work looks great. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Would love to tell you more about this home or any other homes available in Delphi Hills or lots available. Thanks for tuning in. Sure. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak preview of this home, this Arabella II with a loft. If you'd like more information on this home or any other homes in Delphi Hills or any other homes in Central Florida for that matter, I would love to connect with you. All my contact information is below. Do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, comment below maybe your favorite feature of this home, this walkthrough, or any other videos you'd like to see that you would like to see happening on this channel. All right, God bless. Have a great day. Whether it's on or buying, you got to call Brian.